Hello guys, today really you don't know how I'm excited to show you this incredible product. Wow, it is a mirror. It's not big, okay, it's like this, but really it's incredible and I like it because it's like an irregular shape, okay, and I also think that you can use it many ways. For example, you can use it like this, like this, like this, or maybe put it like this. I don't know, it's that it depends your imagination you have, but I'm going to be installing it and then I'm going to show you how it looks. And really I think it's incredible. I like it, this product, like to put it in my vanity, okay, because I think it's perfect. I like it a lot, so I'm going to be showing you. Okay guys, this is how it looks, the product, okay, and look, I think it looks perfect. It is incredible, okay, and I like it a lot. And I use that shape, but also you can put like this part here or down. I don't know, this is for your imagination, okay. So I hope you like it a lot. I think it's incredible and I like it too much.